Hey YouTubers, and welcome back to Tony the Technician channel. And today we're going to be going into the Tekton website, and we're going to be going and doing videos on separate sections of the website, such as hand drive sockets, impact sockets, ratchets, wrenches, drivers, pliers, and more. We're going to break these down into a few different videos so they're not as long. But if you guys are interested, the Tekton website will be linked down in the description for you guys. They got the best deals. I've searched, a lot of different websites, and that you can find them in a lot of different spots. But Tekton's website is pretty amazing. It's easy to use, a lot of information provided, and when you create an account with them for free, you get that 10% back in rewards. So you spend $100, you get $10 off, but that $10 off goes into your account that you can use on your next purchase at the Tekton website. So that's a really good deal. And they got a lot of different other programs and stuff as well if you're a student or anything like that. But I absolutely love this website for the information provided. It comes with a lot, and it's super easy to use. So just on the home screen here, you see the new 6-in-1 screwdriver I did a review on, the black handle version. This is the red handle that's available now. You can see it states made in Michigan for the handle and made in Taiwan for the bits and tube. That's just kind of the home screen. That 10% back that I always told you about. The always guaranteed warranty, probably one of the best warranties available for tool brands out there. They're really easy and great to work with, and always free shipping. So getting into today's video, hand drive sockets, I'm just going to go over the 6-point sockets, show you a couple sets from there. They have 12-point, then I'll show you some of the bit socket sets. They got e-torque sockets, they got universal joint sockets, specialty sockets, socket accessories, such as adapters and reducers, extensions and universals and stuff like that. Then a section for all of their socket sets, and then a section for their new USA made socket organizers. So just getting into it, we'll go into 6-point sockets. And now it'll be all these options will be listed on the left hand side as well whenever you click into one of these. So now you will see it along the side, or you can go back up here to the top. So up here at the top, you can also select if you just want to specifically look at what they have in 1/4-inch drive, 3/8, SAE or metric, standard or deep. So a lot of different ways to search and reduce what you're looking at. We'll start at the bottom actually, because I don't want to forget to show you guys. They actually sell them individually, sockets, very well priced as well. Then they go into their 3/4-inch. I mean, they have every drive size here: 3/4, 1/2-inch, 3/8, and 1/4. All individual socket sets without rails or cases or anything. And then as you move up, you can purchase it with socket rails, and they are twist lock, so you twist the socket on there and it's not going to fall off or go anywhere. And then depending on the set, you also get the tray along with it. And as you can tell, the prices are very nice. They have really good prices on a lot of their products. 3/4, 1/2-inch, 3/8, and 1/4-inch. Deep bowl, shallow, 6-point here, and then obviously if you go into the 12-point section, you'll find that. But here they have their 3/4-inch drive socket sets in both metric and SAE, or just SAE, and they do come with a ratchet that is 72 tooth for the 3/4-inch. All other drive size will include the new 90 tooth ratchet, as you see in the 1/2-inch drive, 3/8 drive, and 1/4-inch drive. So I'm just going to go ahead and click on the 1/4-inch drive just to kind of show you what kind of information is shared with you when looking at a specific product on the website. So this set with both SAE and metric is going to run $55. Really nice set. Here you can see the new 90 tooth ratchet included. No skip sizes, extra large die stamp size markings. You got all this information over here. It includes the 90 tooth new ratchet. There's the size markings, large, easy to read. The fully stepped shoulders. Here they kind of show you their design compared to a lot of competitors. How they use a clear coat on the interior of the socket instead of a chrome plating or paint. So you don't have that chance of it chipping away and changing the size of your socket or causing issues fitting on a fastener. Then you see their design as far as preventing rounding off fasteners, how they secure the drive tool, their standards compared to the standards they must meet. They share a lot of information with you. The new design of the 90-tooth ratchet, slimmer, and they did all of this without reducing any strength or anything, so that's really cool. It's now went from a 72 tooth to a 90 tooth, creating that 4-degree arc swing, so that's always nice. And I must say I own 4 or 5 of these ratchets, and I absolutely love the handle design, the slim design, all around great ratchets, especially for the price. In this set you'll get the 3 and 6-inch extensions, the universal joint, spinner handle or nut driver, and the adapter for it, and then the storage case. And they provide you with information on all of that, especially if you go to specs. Right now it's showing you everything on the case. If you click on this, it will literally show you information on everything that's included in this set. It's amazing. That's a lot of information given to the buyer, and I absolutely love that. Here they show the contents, and once again, just that information at the bottom. So if we go back, take a look at their bit sockets. Once again, you have that option at the top to select exactly what you're looking for, especially the tip type: Phillips, flathead, Torx, tamper-proof Torx, square, and Allen. And here's just a few of their different sets. They actually have more sets than I thought they did, and the prices are really nice on these as well. As you guys know, bit socket sets can get pretty expensive, and once again, all of their products are covered by that no hassle, always guaranteed warranty. Let's just say you click on one of these. This one's going to run $32 for the metric set. 3/8 drive, extra long, Allen heads. S2 steel. Show you the design, heat-treated steel. They're press fit into the sockets themselves, as you can see here. Large stamp markings, like I stated before. So I mean, all in all, you're getting a lot of information. Once again, you can look at every single individual thing. E-Torx, it's just some specialty sockets, I guess you would call them. These, I have the 3/8 set. I did not know they actually have a 1/4-inch drive set. This is a really nice set here. This is going to be their 1/4-inch and 3/8 drive, so you get both sets, SAE and metric, of both drive sizes. Let's just go ahead and take a look at one of them. And I really like the 1/4-inch drive because of how shallow and small the sockets are, which is really nice, as you can see here. And here you can go around and you can select any one you want to take a look. What set you want. Compact design for tight spaces. Here you can see the reduced height, not just from using a universal joint, but a lot of other universal sockets as well. There it is in use. That same design to prevent rounding off fasteners. That large stamping. And this set specifically comes with that twist lock socket organizer. And then once again, a lot of specs on each and every one of them. Specialty sockets. Let's see what they have here. Oxygen sensors, spark plug sockets, stuff like that. Really good prices there as well. And they will be having some changes in the future to certain products, and I'm going to be doing a separate video for that, answering questions that Tekton answered for me while I was at the PRI show this year. So here you can see all their different extensions of all drive sizes, all the way up to 3/4 inch. Universals, sets, adapters, and reducers. All your standard accessories for your ratchets and stuff. are provided. Then they have all of their socket sets, which once again you can search through. But you guys already saw me click on, another socket set. So you already know what kind of information is provided. You already see the great prices here, depending on the set that you are looking for. A lot of them come with a breaker bar when you get up into the 1/2 inch, which is really nice. You can select the combined set from here if you would like. Once again, the breaker bar is included, that 90-tooth ratchet, all of that information. So I believe this is probably one of the best tool websites I've ever used. Easy to use, more information given than most other websites. So I think it's really nice. I love that they've included these new USA socket rails. These are actually exactly what I have at home. These are what I use in my toolbox. They do provide accessories too. This holds ratchets and extensions if you want to clip it onto one of your rails. You can buy extra bits or socket adapters for it. These are just replacement latches for any of your hard cases. So really nice, priced really well. Please let me know your guys' thoughts. That's it for the hand drive sockets. Once again, if you haven't checked out Tekton, go ahead, check out the website. I think it's the best place to buy it. You get that 10% off. It goes back in your basically pocket on the Tekton website, and you can use it next time. Super easy to use, and I really enjoyed it. I've enjoyed not just the website, but the Tekton tools in general. So once again, let me know your guys' thoughts of Tekton and this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and stay tuned for the next video, which we will be going over the impact sockets and accessories that come along with it. If you guys enjoyed, please hit that thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and as always, if you haven't subscribed, please hit that subscribe button. See you guys in the next one.